Hey, it is all here again from Screen Money, and today's video I will show you two sites where you can earn really good money working from home. Now if you like my videos, please click on the subscribe button and the bell notification so you don't miss any of my future videos, and give me a quick like and let's get into it. The transcription site work from home site that I want to bring you is called Airbnb. Now most people know Airbnb. If you are looking to rent out a room, or if you have good space where people can come and stay, you can charge really good money, and that's also an option that you have with Airbnb. But not a lot of people know that Airbnb also hosting experience on Airbnb as a side job. So if you have a talent, like if you are a footballer or anything else, what people do, different tips of things, like if you are a painter and stuff like that, you could be a musician, like how to play a music, and you want to host an event, you can actually do that through Airbnb. It is an opportunity for anyone to share their hobbies, skills, expertise without needing an extra room. So basically it is you sharing your passion with the world, bringing your community together, meeting interesting people, and obviously making extra money. So it is basically you host on your terms, you set your own schedule that works for you, you put everything up on Airbnb, and then people obviously register to come to that particular event. Obviously you're using a room to make money, which you can also Airbnb. So how much money you can earn? You can earn $2,000, and obviously if you are anywhere around the world, the site is where you can earn so many good money and running your own business and doing something that you love. I don't think there is anything better out there. So go on to Airbnb, find out exactly what they are looking for, create your experience page and submit an Airbnb review. People from all walks of life are doing this. Really good site, check it out. And today it is Airbnb. I'm sure everyone heard. The next site that I want to show you is called Uber. Very simple to lift, and a couple of other sites that I have obviously shown you where you can deliver stuff, or obviously deliver food on one night. You can also do that with Uber as well. So Uber is a ride sharing app, and obviously to sign up is very simple. They're in a lot of countries around the world, and you need to be obviously, depending on where you live, you need to be in most cities, and you need to be over the age 21. You need to obviously have a car and get started. So as we can see here, drive when you want, make what you need, earn on your own schedule. Weekly rentals as low as $260 per week. Rentals come with insurance and basic maintenance, and start earning with rentals from our vehicle partners. And also, as we can see here, all things you need, whether you want to drive for just a few hours every once in a while, or you are a more frequent user of Uber's drive app. With Uber you can feel driving around. What matters most to you, drive at any time and on any day of the week. Further, in the driver app will help you find readers in real time, so you can earn opportunities nearby. Need a car to make money? No car, no problem. If you want to become a driver using Uber but need a vehicle, check out the selection from our vehicle partner. The Drive app, easy to use and reliable. The app was built for drivers. With drivers, it shows you everything you need to know to become a driver with Uber. How does driving with Uber compare with the other driver jobs? Different driving jobs offer different opportunities. Some driving jobs have strict hour and rigid schedules. With Uber you can set your own schedule. It all depends on whether you want a traditional full-time or part-time driver job, or you want the flexibility to work whenever you choose. What are the requirements to drive with Uber? When you become a driver with Uber, you must meet the minimum age to drive in your city, have an eligible mode of transcription, and submit required documents including a valid driver's license. Drivers must also pass a background screening and have at least 1 year of licensed driving experience. Do I need my own car? If you want to become a driver with Uber but need a car, you can get a car from one of our vehicle partners. Please note that vehicle options may vary by city. All you need to know here, check it out now. Now In a lot of places, the car cannot be over 10 years old, and there is a couple of other things you obviously need to look out for in obviously making sure yours is clean and definitely worthy, and you know you run a little bit up, so it is definitely fantastic for making money. You set your own schedule, so all you need to do is go on and sign up, and then once you sign up, this opportunity, this is probably one of the best side jobs that anyone can have. Set your own schedule, work hard, so as a side hustle job, I'm telling you now, there isn't any time better, and obviously there are costs involved in terms, and if you want to do it, you can make it and earn more money. It is fantastic side. That's obviously with Uber is a massive company around the world, and I would definitely recommend it to you. The next site that I want to show you is called Go Transcript. Now, Go Transcript has been around for a very long time. They pay really good money, and they also allow you to work pretty much anywhere all over the world as long as you have a computer. You have got internet connection, and you have got the will to earn some really good money. This is definitely for you. Frequently asked questions: what vacancies are available? We are currently only hiring for a transcriber position. What is the payment rate? We pay for the job done. The average rate is 60 cents per minute of audio transcript. What are your payment modes? We pay via PayPal and Pioneer. How much do I have to work? As much as you want. This is a freelance job. When will I paid? Payments are generated every Friday, and minimum you can take a look. And again, the site is called Go Transcript. They want to work for them. You just need to obviously show them that you have the ability to do it. Start off with the simple files and work your way up to the bigger end and other files that pay a little bit more. So do you need experience to become a transcriber? You don't need to have any experience. You just need to have good English skills and internet connection to go off those jobs, and you will be fine. Now, this particular site says, do you hire worldwide? Yes, they hire anyone worldwide. It doesn't matter where you live. Have a look at the site and just see which ones are based only majority of them you can do pretty much anywhere in the world. Some of them you need to be able to speak their native language. I hope you like my video, and I hope that these sites bring you a lot of success. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this video helped you, and make sure to hit a like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out any videos about to make extra money online.